Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of s from this exponential equation. We're given that 4 raised to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 40. Then what is the value of x that will satisfy this equation? So if you look at the left hand side of this equation, the base here is 4 and also in the right hand side we have 40. So there's no way we can make the base to be the same. So therefore, we're going to apply logarithm. When you are applying logarithm to both sides of the equation, we can consider this. The variable we are looking for appear in the left hand side, only in the left hand side of this equation, and the base in that left hand side is 4. So therefore, we can take the log of both sides to the base of 4. So when we apply that, we are going to have log of 4 raised to the power of x minus 2 to the base of 4, which is going to be equal to log of 40 to the base of 4. So we just take the log of both sides to the base of 4. Now we're going to solve for that. If you look at the left hand side, you have a log of a term, which is 4 raised to the power of another term. So in this case, according to one of the property of logarithm, this power you are seeing here is going to go back to multiply the log. This x minus 2 is going to go back to multiply the log. So when we do that, we're going to have x minus 2 multiplied by log of 4 to the base of 4, which is going to be equal to log of 40 to the base of 4. Now, the next thing we're going to recall, whenever you have a log of a number to its base, when the number, which is the term, and the base are the same, then everything is going to be equal to 1. So we're going to recall this. Whenever we have log of a to the base of a is equal to 1, because of what? A, the term and the base are the same. So this is one of the property of logarithm. So we're going to apply this property here so that log of 4 to the base of 4 is the same as 1. Then 1 multiplied by x minus 2 is the same as x minus 2, which is going to be equal to log of 40 to the base of 4. Now the next thing we're going to do, we have x minus 2 in the left hand side, which is going to be equal to this 40. We're going to break it down. 40 can also be written as 4 multiplied by 10, which is the same as 40, and everything to the base of 4. Now we need to simplify this further. To simplify in the right hand side, we need to recall one of the property of logarithm again. We say that when we have log of a multiplied by b to the base of y, this can be simplified as what? Log of a to base y plus log of b to base y. What do you notice here? Log of a multiplied by b, since there is multiplication separated the term in the bracket is going to be addition, then each of them will have log to base y. So if you look at the right hand side of this equation, is in form of this property. So we're going to transform this right hand side into this form. So log 4 log y, then 4 multiplied by 10 is in the form of a multiplied by b. So when we do that, so we're going to have x minus 2, which is going to be equal to, here is going to be log of 4 to the base of 4, then plus log of 10 to the base of 4. So we just transform into this form. Now we need to simplify further. We're going to have x minus 2, which is going to be equal to log 4 to base 4. Remember, whenever you have a log of a number to its base, as earlier explained, is the same as 1. The same as 1, then plus log 10, log of 10 to the base of 4. Now, what do we do next? Remember, we're looking for the value of x. So we're going to take this constant that is attached to x in the right hand side to the left hand side to the right hand side of the equation. So when we do that, we're going to have x to be equal to 1 plus log of 10 to the base of 4. And when this negative 2 cross an equality sign, it becomes positive 2. So we're going to have x to be equal to 1 plus 2, because two of them, they are just number. We can add them together. 1 plus 2 is going to give us 3, then plus log 10 to the base of 4. Now we have x to be equal to 3 plus log of 10 to the base of 4. But we are not going to stop at here, because we need to solve or simplify to its lowest form. So what are we going to do next? We need to break all this number, because this is not the lowest form. So we're going to have x to be equal to 3 plus this 10 can also be written as 2 multiplied by 5 then to the base of 4, right? So 10 is the same as 2 multiplied by 5. And also, this 4 here can also be break down to 2 raised to the power of 2, because 2 to the power 2 is the same as 4. So we can break this down as 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2, which is the same as 4. Now from here, we need to recall one of the property of logarithm. And we see that whenever we have log of b to the base of a raised to the power of y, remember this a to the power of y is a base. This can be simplified as 1 all over y multiplied by log of b to the base of a. So this is one of the property of logarithm. The left hand side can be simplified as the right hand side. They are the same. Log to the base of a raised to the power of y then to b is equal to 1 over y multiplied by log of b to the base of a. As you can see, this y here become 1 all over y, then log of b is to the base of a. So this is the property we are going to apply to this place. As you can see, log to base 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 is in form of this, where a to the power of y represents 2 to the power of 2 and b represents 2 multiplied by 5. So we're going to transform into this form. So when we do that, we are going to have x will be equal to, here we have 3 plus, transforming this from this form into this form is going to be what? As you can see, this y represents 2, and here we have 1 all over y is going to be 1 all over 2, then multiply by log of b to the base of a. What is our b here? Our b is 2 multiplied by 5. So this is going to be what? Log. So this is going to be log of 2 multiplied by 5, log of 2 multiplied by 5, then to the base of 2. You understand? So this is transformation from this form into this form. Now we need to simplify further. So this is going to be what? X will be equal to 3. X will be equal to 3 plus 1 all over 2. Then multiply by, here we have log of 2 multiplied by 5 to the base of 2. So it can be breakdown as what? Log of 2 to the base of 2, then plus log of 5 to the base of 2. So since there's multiplication here, so it's going to change the admission, but it's going to change to addition, but two of them is going to take the base of 2. So now we're going to have x to be equal to 3 plus 1 all over 2 into the bracket of log of 2 to the base of 2. 2 and 2 are the same, is going to be 1, then plus log of 5 to the base of 2. Now what do we do next? We need to use this 1 over 2 to open this bracket. So we're going to have x to be equal to 3 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 is 1 over 2, then plus 1 over 2 multiplied by log of 5 to the base of 2 is going to be 1 over 2 log 5 to the base of 2. Then finally, we're going to have x to be equal to 3 plus 1 over 2 is going to give us 7 over 2, then plus 1 all over 2 log of 5 to the base of 2. And so therefore the value of x now is 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log of 5 to the base of 2. So this is how to solve for the value of x from this logarithmic equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this.